Hey, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. This video is for the team over at Avalonair. I've made this short video for you guys in which I'm going to explain 3 things you could do today to bring in more business, more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you see in here, shoot me a message and we can chat. So the 3 things I'm going to be talking about today will be content, citations, and backlinks. As you can see, I'm on the home page of your website. And the first thing I'm going to be talking about is content. What I mean by that is anything that's on this home page right here. Words, pictures, and videos. And when I work with people, I will generally recommend to have at least 1,500 words on this front page right here. That's going to help you guys outrank your competition, be looked up by Google searches, and end up higher in the Google searches. Now, I'm not sure when was the last time you guys updated this website, but it says 2013 over here. You want to go in there and put at least 2020 so people see that somebody's actually going in and putting in the work up in here. So like I said, you want to have 1,500 words on this home page right here, which are going to be keyword rich. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. I've gone ahead and done a quick little search about HVAC companies in New York City just to show you what customers see when they search something. So as you can see, this top section right here, it's called the Google Guaranteed. This is a paid service through Google in which a business has to go through a verification process to allow them to advertise right here. It's a great place to be because that's the first thing customers see, and it's been giving really strong leads to businesses. After that, we move on to the second section right here, which is called the traditional Google Ads section. Now these ads are a hit or miss. Depending who you work with, they could end up being a money pit, or they can bring you some leads as well. So this is to be walking with caution. The third thing is this Google Map Pack section right here, and where I'll explain to you what citations are. Citations basically anywhere on the web where you can input your business information such as your phone number, business name, and address. Now most of these citations end up on national directories. An online directory is basically like a Yelp, White Pages, Home Advisors, Angie's List, those kind of websites. And this map pack section provides all that information right there to the customer. We specialize in bringing people to the top 3 sections, and I recommend everybody to try to be there. After that, we go down to the organic section, which is this right here. Over here, you'll see the websites which have organically outranked their competition and beat them to the first page of the Google searches. This is where you want to be at. The last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. So backlink is basically any website out there which is providing a link to your website, potentially bringing you that traffic and good keywords. Now to explain more information, I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a great tool. I pay for it, but it provides me with valuable information which helps me assess the performance of any website. I've put in your information right here, and as I can see and you can see, you have 17 referring domains which give you 1,300 backlinks, giving you 31 keywords, and giving you guys 47 organic traffic, which means 47 people visiting your website per month. Now to compare this to another top competitor in New York City, I'll show you what their numbers look like right here. As you can see, it's a really big difference in the numbers. I'll just run through them really quickly. They have 716 referring domains, 3,100 backlinks, 27,000 keywords almost, which bring them at least 26,000 organic traffic or 26,000 people visiting their website every single month. Now this is where you want to be heading towards. Let's go back to yours really quickly. Now all these numbers can be pumped up to the thousands, and it's really doable, and it's what we specialize in, as well as all the things I mentioned today. So I told you I'll keep this video short and sweet. That's all I had for you today. I really hope you found this to be educational, and if you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call. I'd love to chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given you today, and I would only ask if you could please give me some feedback on this video and how I did. That'll be awesome. With that, thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.